Hi everyone, this is Jason again, and in this post I will be touching on obviousness and how we defined it and described it in class. So far, the meaning of obviousness as it relates to patents is anything but obvious. It is one of the essential requirements that need to be met by a patent application, and simply obviousness and anticipation are key elements that could lead to the declination of a patent application. In this post, I would like to specifically touch on what exactly obviousness is and how it is applied to potential patented inventions. So for me, the easy way to think about obviousness is to understand that obvious inventions should not be granted patent rights. An obvious invention is something that would not be hard to invent given a prior art. Using an example from class, the invention of a chair made of metal would be an obvious derivative invention of a chair made of wood. The important thing to note when assessing the obviousness of a patent is to think of how easy was the process of conceiving the new invention based on the old invention. Putting the ambiguous definition of obviousness in context, it is what drives people to invent and innovate. If a person is given a patent and a new insignificant improvement is then made on it and is granted a patent, then essentially the first patent is useless. So when this happens, individuals are less likely to want to invent things, given that their inventions could soon be found obsolete. I hope you found this post beneficial, and check back for my next blog on obviousness. Thanks again.